back to my channel. Today Lily and I thought we would bring you a clean with me. Lily's going to come along and put all of her things in a bag and put them away while Mummy does some cleaning around the house. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. This is a Sunday afternoon. This is kind of what the house looks like after the weekend, so I thought I'd do a bit of a tidy up before the start of the week, and that's what we're going to do. So this is what my lounge room looks like to start off with. I know it's not too crazy because I tidy up during the day, but this is kind of what we're starting with today. So Lily's got her bag and she's helping me put some of her things away. I thought I'd use this tub to put all the loose things that I could put away at the end to try and save some time. Just going on to her chairs and table, and I just thought that would help putting them outside so I could do the vacuuming and the mopping. So I'm onto my Dyson hand vacuum, which I love. I just think it's so easy when I'm just trying to do a quick speed clean. After the vacuum, I do like to follow it up with the spray mop, which I also love. I think it's, again, so easy, and you throw those pads in the wash and get new ones. So back onto the dining room, I love the Method All-Purpose Grapefruit, which I use for most things around the house. So just wiping over the table, and I thought I'd deep clean the chairs today one by one. And as you can see, I'm going down to the bottom of each one, trying to take the fluff off the bottom because it has built up, and I just wanted to vacuum all of that up as well. It's so gross and nasty with all those dust spots down the bottom, but that all came from the bottom of my chairs, and I'm so glad I finally got that up. I've been meaning to do it for a long time, and it's now done. So this is what the lounge room and dining room look like all finished. The chairs are there while the floor dries, and I'll put them back. Lily wanted to show you the new rug, and I'm so impressed with how this came up, and the floors are so shiny and nice. So look, there's the rug, guys. So this is the before of our kitchen, bit of a mess, stuff everywhere, so I'm just going to generally tidy and clean the countertops and just get this back, so then tomorrow when we make dinner and breakfast it will be all good. Here's me checking out avocados. Quick trick, if they are getting a bit soft, you put them in the fridge so they don't ripen anymore and you can continue to use them. So I'm just using this Method dish soap to wash everything that can't go in the dishwasher, which is a bit annoying and we all love that, but it's just what do you do? So that's what I'm doing here. So just cleaning the stove as we normally do, but as soon as you cook one meal it's dirty again, but I'm just getting that done for the week. I should probably do it after each meal. If anyone has any tips of what you do, I have seen people put foil around them, but is that too fiddly? You guys let me know. Now everything's wiped down, it makes me feel so much better that this space looks great. This is the heart of the home, and this is where we do a lot of cooking and things, so I'm so glad it is looking a lot nicer. So now into the hallway kind of area, I'm just continuing to vacuum and mop through this area. guys into the bathroom, I just use a microfiber or bamboo cloth to wipe over with my Method. I've also got the Method glass cleaner in here as well, and just wiping everything over and freshening it all up. So here it is, all done, nice and fresh and clean to start off the week. So we're into Lily's room now. Obviously she plays in here and there was stuff everywhere, which is typical and expected. So I'm just doing a quick tidy up in here. So I thought I'd pick up this squeezy squashy mat, I'm not sure what they're called, just so it makes it easier. We originally put it down so if she did fall out the bed it would be cushioned, because she has done that before. She hasn't done that in a few months now, so I thought I'd get rid of it just so I can get underneath it and be able to mop properly, and I think it makes the room look a little bit nicer. So here's what her room looks like now, just nice and clean. Obviously waiting for the floor to dry, and then I'll put her mat back down, wiped all the surfaces so it's all dust free, nice fresh sheets, and everything's wonderful. So that's it for my clean today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some motivation. I'm a hot mess here in Brisbane. It's probably about 30 degrees today. So I'm hot and sweaty. Got my workout on as well. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!